Here is how to join Pinecone Research in 2026 without wasting time on fake links. Most survey sites pay very little and disqualify you often. Pinecone is different because it usually pays a flat $3 per survey. First, check if you qualify. You must be 18 or older, live in an eligible country, and only one person per household can join. Pinecone is invite only, so look for real invitation links on the official site, Nielsen partner pages, or trusted review sites. When you get a real link, enter your real details, including age, location, email, phone, household info, and income range. Next, verify your phone with an SMS code and confirm your email. The first sign-up usually takes under 5 minutes. After joining, complete every profile section. Pinecone uses your household, lifestyle, and shopping details to match you with surveys. Many new members may see a $5 welcome survey. Standard surveys usually pay 300 points, which equals $3. Stay alert. Pinecone will not ask you to pay fees, cash checks, wire money, or accept huge survey payouts from random texts. Pinecone is best for fewer but better paid surveys. Swagbucks and Survey Junkie may offer more chances, but usually with more disqualifications. Start by finding a legitimate Pinecone invite link, then complete your profile honestly. And watch for survey emails, but never trust links asking for money.